Ever feel overwhelmed by all the indicators out there? RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, it can feel like alphabet soup. But here's the thing, every single one of them falls into just 4 main types. And once you know these, you'll see the market more clearly and start building real strategies instead of chasing random signals. Hey traders, welcome to Indicator Edge, where we turn confusion into clarity and help you build your trading strategy from the ground up. This is episode 1, and we're laying the foundation, the 4 major types of indicators. Every indicator you'll ever use fits into one of these, and knowing how they work is the first step to building your edge. First up, trend indicators. These are your compass, showing whether the market's moving up, down, or sideways. They don't predict the future, but they help you trade in the right direction. Think moving averages like EMA and SMA, MACD, parabolic SAR, and Supertrend. Then, momentum indicators. They measure the speed and strength of price movement, perfect for timing entries and exits. Some are called oscillators like RSI, Stochastic, and CCI because they swing between fixed levels to highlight overbought and oversold conditions. Others, like MACD and the momentum line, don't have boundaries but still track momentum in a different way. Momentum is the only category that splits into subtypes, which gives you options when building strategies. Next, volatility indicators. These measure how much price is moving and how fast. Great for spotting breakouts or setting stop-loss levels. Examples include Bollinger Bands, ATR, and Keltner channels. They're not about direction, they're about intensity. Finally, volume indicators. Volume tells you how strong a move really is. If price moves but volume is weak, that can be a warning sign. Volume indicators help confirm if the market's truly behind the move. Think unbalanced volume, volume profile, VWAP, and accumulation/distribution. Here's the key, each type has its role. Trend shows direction, momentum times your entry, volatility manages risk, and volume confirms the move. In future episodes, I'll show you how to combine them, even on TradingView's free plan with just 2 indicators. And to make it easy, I'm creating playlists for each category so you can quickly find and combine the ones that fit your style. Your own trading toolbox ready to go. If you want to follow along using TradingView, the link's in the description. It supports the channel and costs you nothing extra. Now you know the 4 types of indicators. Next time, I'll show you how to build a strategy using just 2, perfect for free plan users. Hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss it. See you in episode 2.